Good morning, everybody. We are here. The market, well, I don't know how the market's doing today, but we've got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, baby. We've got Notos second. Notos, Dark Bro, Notos, Dark Bro, Notos, Dark Bro, Notos. Frank. We got Dark Bro, Nick F. What's going on, Nick F? Moji, Nick F, Moji. We've got Moji, Frank, Dark Bro, Moji, Kombu, Frank, Moji, Dark Bro, Robert, Frank, Moji, Kombu, Michael. We got Moji, J Bones. All of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. Guys, are we going to be saying that AMC is like back down to $3 soon? Are we going to be saying that AMC is trading like $1.30 here pretty soon? AMC sitting at $13.65 today. Man, I'm telling you, it's crazy. Down 5.05% on the day today. 13.64 was touching 13.07 pre-market before bouncing a little bit there. Not good news, dude. Not good news. 13.65 right now. We're going to keep our eyes on AMC. This is getting insane. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 807 points per coin. Still above that 700 or 800 point per coin mark. It is maintaining that support line, which is good to see. GameStop sitting at 1665, up 1.74% of the day today. Bitcoin 25,937. We need some Bitcoin gains, guys. Come on, Bitcoin bounce, baby. Nasdaq sitting 0.06% lower, 13,454. Dogecoin 6.2 cents. Ethereum 1647. Shiba Inu coin 806. Bitcoin 25,900. We've got Mullin back down to 69.9 cents right now. Mullin, dude, Mullin cannot sustain a gain to save its stinking life. Sundial sitting at $1.56. The Spy $4.37. Netflix $4.11.71. Highcraft Mining 32.8 cents, down 5% of the day as well. QQQ $3.60. Ape sitting at Ape delisted. Well, we don't need that anymore. Let's take that bad boy off there. Delete. MPW sitting at 706. Tesla's up today. Tesla sitting at $233.22 right now. Volatile though, watch out. Seems to be trending in between 235 and 231. Keep an eye on it. PID sitting at 1731. Joby 689 and TMC $1.27, up 7% on the day today. TMC actually looking pretty good. We're gonna watch Bitcoin down at the bottom left. We want to see green lines, not purple lines. We'll watch them go. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? Glad to have you in here. Dabbing on them as always. AMC is a dude, I don't even know. What is something that just falls perpetually? What's something that just keeps on falling down, man? I don't even know what that would be. AMC is something that falls. I want to play this though, guys. AMC share costs less than a bag of popcorn. Kombu, man. And that's after the AMC and Ape conversion, dude. And the reverse split. Oh, and it's still. So essentially it's 10 shares, right? It's essentially 10 shares. They cost less than a bag of popcorn. AMC is going downtown, going downtown. I want to play this, guys. Look at this. Boo! It's supposed to play. Hold on. Might play twice, not sure. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat, Pat says. Clay! Have a wonderful day and wish the bro family dilly and send my best regards to them. I am hopefully able to rejoin the streams by the end of the year if all goes well as planned at work. Yes, man. Pat's coming back, baby. If you see Pat in the Discord, man, say, guess who's back? Pat is back. Back again. Tell a friend. Pat is back. Pat is back. Pat is back. Pat is back. Thank you for the authorized hydration, Pat. I know you're probably not listening right now. Thank you very much for that. And a dilly to Doug Brilly for being first in the chat today. Thank you very much. Interesting, guys. We've got 18 people in here. The numbers seem a little bit lower than normal. Anything going on weird with notifications or finding the live stream or anything like that today? Just seems like we should have more than 18 people in here at the moment. And not exactly sure if YouTube's surfacing with any issues there. Let's see, what do we got here? I'm going to call the future Trump going to be president, but if not, the Indian guy, Vivek, is going to be. I mean, life, we're about to find out, man. We got we got a little over 1 year until election day, man, and it is going to be a wild year. I am bracing for some wild activity and some outlandish election campaigns, man. Yeah, we're probably all going to be locked down in our houses again, so just prepare for the worst, right? Hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Thanks to whoever gave me a membership at the end of first stream yesterday. I believe it was Moji yesterday, Crypto Rocketeer. I believe it was Moji, man. Whoa, it's a lot of hydration. Yes, it is, Mo. I got authorized hydration all day long today. If I'm thirsty, I'm taking a drink, and there's nothing you guys can do about it. Michael Bauer! What's going on? Mike Bauer, man. Becoming a little bro. Now, that is what I'm talking about right there. Guys, Mike was not gifted that green name. Mike got that green name. I do need 22 welcome mics in the chat right now. If you are not paying attention to the chat, still jump in there and say, welcome, Michael. This is not a drill. This is not a giveaway one. Mike became a little bro. I love it, Mike. Thank you very much for that. And hopefully everybody that is paying attention can say welcome to Michael as well. Mike, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro, dude. I can't wait to see that blue skull on you. And we're going to get there. We're going to get there. It's one step at a time, man. One step at a time. You guys got to move up to the other little green guy first. Shipbreaker here, following you on Twitter. Love your content, been watching for a long time now. Shipbreaker, what's going on, man? Appreciate you for watching, appreciate you for liking the content. Absolutely, a lot of people dislike the content, so thank you very much. Gosh, just got a little headache. Appreciate you very much for the positive feedback, man. A lot of people give negative feedback, not a lot of people give positive feedback, so thank you very much for that positive feedback. You're at the top of the list when I open YouTube. Very good, Crypto Rocketeer. Then these people must just be slow. Your video title says Thursday. Could have swore I changed that to Friday. Let me see about that. It does say Thursday, but it is not Thursday. Do me a favor, refresh and see if it still says Thursday. If it says Thursday for everybody. It should say Friday now. See if that actually worked, old rounder. Welcome, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome, Mr. Bauer. Welcome, Michael. Welcome, bro. I love it, guys. What could be expected from Shiba? Hopefully good news, okay? Shib, let's talk about Shib for a second. Following the overall cryptocurrency market. So, in my expectations, I would expect it to continue following the overall cryptocurrency market. You're looking at the daily graph, you can see a massive decline in Bitcoin trending sideways. Massive decline in Shiba Inu coin trending sideways. What we're seeing right now is essentially Bitcoin attaching itself to the price of the overall crypto market. Shibarium is doing very well, but Shibarium doesn't seem to be burning any Shiba Inu coin. So I know a lot of people are going to be upset with that. Nonetheless, they are still using Shiba Inu coin. Or they are still using Shibarium. If they continue to do so, if everything continues to grow, once we get some gains in the overall market, maybe a bounce back up to 29,000, 30,000 on Bitcoin, I would imagine that's when you see Shiba Inu coin bouncing back up to 10, 11, 12, 13,000 points per coin, or hopefully well beyond that. We had a nice little rally here with Shibarium expectations, and then Bitcoin Bitcoin had to take itself out of the game. Bitcoin with a major drop-off, Shiba Inu coin, boom, with a major drop-off as well. So I would expect Shib to continue following the overall market right now. Clibro with Ape off the list, and you can remove PID as well. I have possible replacements. Frank, he's got possible replacements. Let's hear what they are. What about Joby? Is Gorilla Invictus in here? Joby, we got Tesla. I'm going to leave Tesla on there. Joby, TMC. I don't know if we need Highcroft mining on there anymore. I'm going to be honest with you on that one. I don't know if we need Highcroft. Can I? Yeah, let's reorder this. I want the QQQ down by the SPY. Let's put those. Okay. We're going to keep AMC and GameStop down there. I'm just way too used to those being down there. SPY and QQQ next to each other, right above Bitcoin. I'll take that. Mullen, Sundial, Netflix, yeah, Highcroft, MPW, Joby. If Gorilla's out of Joby, we could take Joby out off the watch list here. I forget who put TMC on there. Highcroft. Those are some ones that we could remove there. Let's see. Friday. It says Friday. Perfect. How you doing today, Clay? Did you lose power again? Nigga, actually no, I didn't lose power. I was talking to Dad though this morning, and he said that he lost power last night. I did not lose power last night, so must I don't know. I know it was thundering, but must have skipped over me and didn't get hit by the storm last night. Did you lose power? Because man, I hate losing power. Friday. What's up, Nick F? Yes, I'm glad that it says Friday. Thank you to anybody who reloaded, especially if you get an ad on the way back in the second time. Dude, think about this. If you guys just spent the hour like refreshing the page and watching ad, we could just literally get rich farming ads in the live streams here. If you just clicked refresh, watch an ad, refresh, watch an ad. Yeah, we could get rich just farming ads during the live streams. It would be great. I bought a few 3Qs at 358 puts for 34 cents. Expires today. Bronson. We scalping or we holding, Bronson? We scalping or we holding? Let's see. Got him at 34 cents on the 358s. Okay, 34 cents on the 358s. Don't know when he got in. Hopefully he got in a little bit earlier today instead of just now. Options, 358s. All right, 34. Whew. He did get in a little bit earlier today, guys. He did get in a little bit earlier today. Those 34-cent puts are already at 81 cents right now. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Oh, my gosh, dude. Bronson, very nice, man. Very nice. That is a beautiful run right there. Look at this minute chart. And it's 79 cents on this, but we're 15 minutes behind. They could be a little worse right now. Watch out for those. I want to see what those are actually. I hate this 15-minute delay that I have if I'm not logged in. What are these puts sitting at? Puts on the 358s. Guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. Those puts are already back down. We just watched them at 80 cents, right? Now, because of this tiny little bounce back up right here. Look at this. Because of this tiny little bounce back up right here, it's $1 move. Those 358s, I don't know if you guys can see this. They're already back down to, didn't want to do that. They're already back down to 44 cents. Like, look at this. Can you see that? Focus. They're already down to 44 cents right there. Dude, that's tough, man. Look, that'd be a lesson in volatility, okay? If you're buying options that expire the same day, scalp the stinking trade, man. Take your 5%, move on with your life. Bronson, I hope it works out for you. You hold throughout the rest of the day. I want to know what you're doing now. Waiting for a huge breakout. Look at the 4-hour on Shib. All right. Let's see the 4-hour on Shib. I don't usually use 4-hour charts. Yeah, dude, I hope, okay? 4-hour on Shib, double bouncing off this 800 point per coin mark. I do hope that the 4-hour, shorter term graph does bounce back off and move to the upside on Shib. But if you look at the 4-hour chart, dude, it's really wanting to sit on this 800 point per coin mark. Really wanting to sit right there. So, going back to the minute, but yes, I do hope that we break out of the upside on Shiba Inu coin because it has just been sitting way too... it was Big Clay. It was supposed to be Big Weeble. Sorry about that. I need subtitles, please. Kumbu! Do they not have subtitles on the live stream? Here for the like and listen. Gotta eradicate mosquito population in and around my yard. Very nice, Pudgy. Get them all, dude. Get them all. Dude, I killed the biggest stinking hornet You guys know those, what are they, murder hornets or murder bees or whatever they are? Let me see if I can find a picture of these. I was sitting there watching The Price is Right last night. Oh, yeah, these Asian giant hornets, dude. This is what it is. This is what it is for sure. Yep. I'm sitting there watching The Price is Right last night. Okay. And I thought some dude was knocking on my patio door. Well, it wasn't a dude knocking on my patio door. It was a yellow jacket, the size of a dude, knocking on my door. Just, dude's trying to get in. I'm like, not today, man. I went out the garage door. Whoo! I took the spray, and I took his life. Let me show you this, dude. These guys are stinking huge. Okay? They're stinking huge. I'm not even kidding you. These guys are ridiculous. So he was knocking on my door last night at 11 o'clock at night trying to get in. I'm like, yeah, not happening. So I went and got the spray. Went on a mission. Dude, I used probably half a can of spray. It was like almost an insta-kill. I wasn't taking no chances with my life because I know this guy was about to take my life. I wasn't taking no chances with that. So this is actually a really good picture here. If you want to see a normal hornet right here, yeah, these guys are pretty big. That's what this idiot looks like. Dead on, this was him. Okay? And I left him up on my patio door. He's dead, hanging on the screen on my patio door right now. And I'm going to leave him there as a trophy to any of the other murder hornets that want to come my way and think that they're going to be knocking on my door at 11 o'clock at night. Yeah, he's freaking wild. I know, in the stinger on this guy, dude, the stinger on this guy, he doesn't have one. He's got a little one. Stinger on this guy, I mean, you can look at it, and it goes like, you know the screen? You know the mesh on your screen? It goes a square and a half on the screen. Dude, if he got into you, boom, he'd be pumping poison directly into your veins if he got into you. Nuts, man. Nuts. Frank, M-S-F-O, D-I-S-O. How about that? Let's go. Catch me outside, Frank. How about that? Let's look at him. And then we can see about M-F-S-O. M-F-S-O. Looking at this one first. Mutual First Financial. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Like, no! A very low volume on this guy right here. This is delisted. Oh, that's MSFF. MSFO. I see what you're doing here, Frank. I didn't even know that this was I gotta add this to my watch list. All right, hold on. I didn't know they were coming out with new yield maxes today. We're gonna be adding these bad boys on here. Hold on. MSFO. Yield max. Microsoft. All right, I'll take that. I'm adding Microsoft on there. Please tell me this is another one. DISO. DISO. Yield Max. Ooh, Yield Max Disney. Let me talk about this one for a second. I don't know what these guys are going to be able to generate options income-wise on Disney, but Disney is at, let's not start a political debate in here or anything. Disney has been moving much more woke over the last couple of years than they probably should be. We know that. But Disney's price closed at the lowest level since 2014. So we're going to look at Disney here in a second. But Frank, are there any more? I just added those both to my watch list there. I'm gonna average into those as well. Disney is one that I don't mind at all averaging into. And then as long as they don't get too crazy on you out there. And then Microsoft is another good one. Frank, did you call Disney, or was that not on your list of calls there? We are looking forward to more market hardships based on what Powell said. Don't you just love Powell bringing us down into the red, man? Shut up, Clay. You know he's resolved it with hugs and bananas. Me? Oh, no, I killed that wasp, dude. I hate wasps. I did not go out and hug that wasp. I went out there, I unloaded like a half a can of spray on him. It was way too much spray. I mean, it was useless. He was dead almost immediately on contact. I just soaked him. Because if he came after me, I was a goner. There's no way you guys got another live stream. There's no way you guys got another video. If that thing started coming after me, man, I would have been deceased. One-on-one fight? Nope. I know my limits, man. I know my limits. And if he had buddies nearby, would have been gone for sure. So no, he met his demise in a matter of like seconds. Michael Bauer, thank you very much for the super chat. Mike, man, thoughts on BETR? I watched BETR yesterday. So BETR down 93% of the day. We're going to pull that one up in a second. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you on that one, man. Thank you very much for that being this first super chat, Mike. I see that big old one right there. Loving it right now. And do want to say thank you for that. So thank you for letting me be the first super chat. And we're going to look at Bauer right after I finish my thoughts on killing wasps. And this Disney one right here. So Microsoft and Disney. Where's the Disney one? Microsoft just came out with this today. All right. Just came out with that one today. And then the DISO, they just came out with that one today as well, right? Where the heck is DISO, man? All right, it's right there at that 20-cent level as well, $20 level as well. So Microsoft and Disney, guys, if you want to get into these yield max ETFs, don't know what the dividend is yet, don't know how much options income they're going to be able to generate, but looking at Disney, and then we're going to look at BETR. Is it DS? What is Disney? Oh, Diz. Yeah, it's just Diz. Disney, guys, closing at the lowest level since 2014 yesterday. Now, it ticked a little lower during the lockdowns of 2020. So I want to show you guys that, okay? Way back here in 2020. These are the lockdown lows is what I like to call them. This is all of the news about, the C word, all of the news about shutting down businesses, and this is when all the governors began to come on screen and tell you can't leave your house unless you're an essential business. Boom! The market gets rocked and Disney falls 50%. Look at this major decline. And it did wick down on this day here in March to a low of 79, but it did not close at that low. It closed, the lowest close was around $85. Yesterday, Disney closed like 82 something. 82, was that the low yesterday? Close was 82.47. 82.46 wick down, 82.47 close. We got to go weekly. I'm not scrolling that far back. You got to go weekly, man, before you see it close that low. All the way back to 2014. Now, look, that's a beautiful graph, okay? This is a beautiful graph during your bull market of 2009 lows up to 2014-15 there to 150. Just straight gains, man. Straight gains from $15 to $115. Disney can perform beautifully. But this is a wild bear market we're in. I mean, look at this bear market over the last 2 years, guys. Wiping a lot of Disney. Now, it could be related to all of the weird movies and, direction that Disney's trying to head and stuff like that. But you got to remember, this is a weekly chart, and it's basically nothing but declines over the last 2 years here. So Disney being very low could be a decent time if you believe in their future to get into one of these, the yield max ETFs, because you could be sitting on Disney. It could be generating 20, 30, 40, 50, 60% in annualized dividends as well because of their options income strategy. Now another one because of Michael, BETR, guys, Better Home and Finance. This is crazy. Take a look at this SPAC that just merged. This SPAC was trading at $10. All of the speculation, it's going to be great, it's going to be great, it's going to be great. Last month, it goes up to $63 a share on anticipations of merging with the company. And they announce, my gosh, dude, did it hit 77-cent lows? It goes public with Better Homes and Finance. It's like a mortgage company. Drops all the way down to 77 cents yesterday, losing 99% of its value from these highs over here. And it is currently sitting at a market cap of $1 billion after giving away a ton of money. Now, of course, I didn't upload Weeble yet, so I don't have any of their financials. But this stock appears extremely cheap right now. I don't know what their balance sheet looks like, so I'm not exactly sure how much money they're sitting on. I don't know if it's going to be $1 billion cash or anything like that. It still could be a very high market cap for the company, depending on what they do. But here's the thing you got to consider. Mortgages are in a very weird spot. Real estate's in a very weird spot right now. Interest rates are obscene, and they may only get worse before they begin to get better. So, and with all of the talk about this new C word, and then September, October, November, December, possible lockdowns again, it's going to create a very sticky situation for real estate. And in this, investors could be anticipating that in this mortgage company selling off the way that it is. It is very cheap, okay? Very cheap. But that's based on its historical price. It's not necessarily based on what we should expect over the next couple of months and years, as interest rates might get even worse, and we might even be on lockdown again. Come on, where are we going here? Clint, check regularly for the community. Neither one of those were on my list. Gotcha, Frank. I'm excited about them, though. I like Microsoft. I don't like Microsoft, and I don't necessarily like Disney, but I do like the fact that those are two more big names that have been added to the list, and something that I can diversify into. I want to hear your thoughts on Powell. So I did not watch the Jackson Hole. I did not watch any of the speeches from Jackson Hole or anything like that, Challenge Channel. If you just want my in general thoughts on Jerome Powell, I actually think Jerome Powell is a very smart guy. I do. Based on all of it, based on his ability to answer questions during press conferences, I believe he's able to display that he knows exactly what's going on. It's just that he doesn't always give us the answers that we want, right? And I don't know if he even cares to give us the answers that we want. And we do typically see declines after Jerome Powell talks. So, Jerome Powell, Daddy JP, people don't like him because he makes them lose money, but I still think the guy is pretty smart. Nobody's happy anymore about Disney not happy either. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, isn't it? Disney might be greedy. They are literally at decade level lows. Having a good time with your family shouldn't cost thousands of dollars, especially in the park. You only get to get on a few rides because the waiting lines are so long. Yeah, it is crazy, man. It is crazy to think, not even just to take a vacation with your family, right? But to go somewhere like that, and I don't know. Last time I was at Disney was like 7 years ago or something. Lines are ridiculously long. The rides aren't that fun. If you want to go somewhere fun, just go to Cedar Point. The lines are still long, but the rides are better. But yeah, dude, it is ridiculously expensive. And if you're trying to take a family, man, it's crazy. Let's see. It was last edition in 2011. It sucked then. It's probably even worse now. Challenge Channel. What's up, fam? What's going on in DD240? It's paid $2,500 for a family of 4 for 3 days. Oh my god, dude. It's probably 10 grand now for a family of 4 to go to Disney. Probably 10 grand for a family of 4. Government wants lockdowns during voting so they can manipulate again. Yeah, Moji, look, I am. You guys can kind of talk about it if you want. Don't get out of line with it or make anybody mad or anything like that. But I do think that's a good strategy. So I'll play this out. If I was, trying to take over the world, trying to rule the world, trying to cheat or whatever, 2 strategies that you might see with me just brainstorming off surface level, not really getting into it, knowing any statistics or anything like that. You get 2 strategies, man. Truly, if you locked everybody down again in the name of the C word, in the name of safety, all of that stuff, here's the direction that I see that you could possibly be going forward with that, because it is going to affect the markets. So it is relative discussion, but I don't necessarily want to badger anybody or whatever. So just take it from a pinky in the brain. What are we going to do today? Try to take over the world type of a deal. If you want to assure yourself a win, if everybody's locked down, okay, what do we know? Let's force them to mail in their ballots. okay? And whether you guys like it or not, Democrats typically do better during mail-in ballots. I mean, that is a proven statistic. Now, regardless of whether you think that those mail-in ballots would be cheated or not, what you end up with is a benefit towards, even if they're not cheating, right? They do typically turn out better for Democrats than they do Republicans during mail-ins. So we could go through the same cycle again in 2024 here with those lockdowns. Another thing, okay, add the lockdowns. People love the free income. Now, whether or not it's actually free or whether or not they're just splitting up your tax credits and giving them to you in advance, like the child tax credit, there's a lot of discussion already happening about free money. Essentially, these stimulus checks, this universal basic income. Excellent way to buy a vote, right? You go out there, you tell these people, oh, you're locked down, hard times. We're going to take care of you, right? We're going to do the right thing by you. We're going to make sure your family's fed, all that good stuff. We're going to give you guys this free money. Dude, buying votes. Excellent. Another strategy, if you weren't going kind of like the buying votes and, mail-in ballot strategy by locking people down during the election, you simply have the idea that they can save the world once again. And if they go save the world by the time the next election comes in November of 2024 there, then, I mean, you're the hero. You saved the day. You can get reelected because of it. So I don't know if all of this boils down to some sort of a political conspiracy theory or not, but it is an absolute strategy. And you got to look at it that way, man. If you were trying to sway an election, or you were trying to win or anything like that, that would be a very good strategy to do so. Get it in people's minds right now and let this play its course over the next year, and then you are unveiled the hero. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, super late and work does not suck today. Yeah, bro. Clay high pitch. Fing? Oh, stinking slaughtered and finished my route early. It was a bloodbath, baby. Boom, pulling that grass. Boom, cutting those weeds. Boom, laying that mulch. I love it, Chris. Very nicely done, man. Dude, getting that route done really. I mean, does your weekend start now, Chris? Are you starting your weekend at noon? Dude, that's great, man. If you're starting your weekend at noon, man, I love it. Chris, very good job slaughtering that route right there. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Appreciate you on that one, but I do want to know, are you really starting your weekend right now? Clay, look at ticker. Oh, really doesn't match. Really good business development company. You should see a decent dividends. All right, we'll look at O as well. One spot available for a bro to join the Bro Fantasy Football League. Is that one spot including mine or not including mine? JB, I'm on the front line. I see no uptick. Yeah, Moji, you actually are on the front line, man. That is interesting. So keep us updated on that kind of stuff, man. Keep us updated on that, because with all of the discussion and these TSA whistleblowers that you see out there and stuff like that, I don't think you would actually need to see an uptick to justify that stuff. I think that they would simply say, we're going to get ahead of this one. My predecessor did a terrible job of letting it get out of hand. We are going to cut this one off at the source or at the start and not allow it to spread. You can just like sway the story a little bit to make yourself sound like the good guy in the situation, and you're taking matters into your own hands, and instead of letting matters kind of spiral out of control. So keep us updated on that, Moji, if you're allowed, I guess. My brother also works in a hospital. I guess he could give us some inside scoop there as well. But yeah, man, keep us updated if you're allowed and you can on that kind of stuff. Because I don't know, man. I want everybody. I want everybody to do well. And I got a lingering feeling out there. All-American. Is it All-American Breakers? I think it's All-American Breakers, right? I just see All-American. Yes, it is All-American, man. How's it going? Hey, man. How's it going? Hey, All-American. How's it going? All-American, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. Clay, sweat account, what's your thoughts? All-time high was over $1,000. All right, we got to look at sweat. We got to look at Silent Seekers and Afghans get 2,500. Seniors get 1,400 from Social Security, and Bun gave Hawaiians $1,700. What a patriotic hero. Yes. And did you guys see that thing too, where Elon Musk is not allowed to he's not allowed to hire citizens? He's got to hire asylum seekers. These Department of Justice is out of whack, man. It really is. All right, guys. Really quick. Realty income. Is this a REIT? I believe this is... Gosh, man. I cannot believe... I got to update this. I want to do it right now, though. All right. Dividend yield of 5.47% on Frank, is realty income a REIT? I would imagine that it is, but I'm not exactly sure. And pulling back over the last couple of weeks here, I would imagine on the interest rate hike news, but I am unsure. We haven't been following this one very well. I would just watch out, man. It did break this level of support right here. Major level of support in the 55 area where it's at right now. So if that gets broken, I mean, you're not like terribly off. Dividends are nice. 5% annualized interest is very good. Keep you guys' eyes on that one if you want. Sweat. We got to look at sweat for All American, man. We got to look at sweat for All American here. Including your spot Clay, not letting you off the hook. All right, good. JB, good. Hey, no, yesterday, my boss said I would have one property today, but it takes like 2 hours, so the crew teamed back up to finish. We break up into smaller routers. Gotcha. All right. And my boss is, I don't want us to get too much overtime, right? And you know what? That's fine, though, Chris. That's fine. If they don't want you to get too much overtime right now, that's completely acceptable. They're probably trying to manage their budgets as well. So, you got to respect that if they don't want you getting too much overtime. But very nice, dude. The team coming together and boom, ripping that bad boy out right there. I love it, man. Just dropped in, hit the like button. Got to go back to work. Guiba Show, appreciate you being in here, man. Thank you very much for clicking that like button. Speaking of REITs, freaking down on ARR. I did look at ARR this morning, about 490, right? Chris, you're probably not down too far on ARR, though, because you've hit, what, 1 or 2 dividends by now? ARR, 483. I thought I saw it at 490 earlier. Nah, maybe that was... I saw it at 490. I guess it didn't touch 490. I guess it was in the 480s. It didn't even touch 489. Don't know why I thought I saw a 9 in there. Yeah, you've had 1 or 2 dividends at 8 cents a piece. That's not bad, though, man. It gets you down a little bit. But keep stacking those dividends, man, and you're going to be looking pretty good. That bad boy's got a 20% annualized dividend rate. It's also being affected by interest rates. So keep that in mind, man. ARR also being affected by interest rates there. Say this, go Shiba, go Shiba, go Shiba, go Shiba, go Shiba, go Shiba, go Shiba. I can't say all those, man. That's a lot of go Shibas. Challenge channel, appreciate you on that one, but I can't say all of them. It's actually one of the best performing REITs in the market, not an endorsement. Frank, dude, nothing's an endorsement, man. Do you think I'm endorsing like CrossFit Mayhem right now? They do have really good programming. Rich Froning is actually a really good guy. I would endorse CrossFit Mayhem. I would do that, but just by wearing the shirt, I'm not doing so. So keep that in mind. John Channel, one time is enough with the Go Shibas. I thought he was doing like a Go Ninja, Go Ninja, Go Ninja. Have you heard of Shiba Inu coin? Have you made any videos about that? No. Fling it high, man. Fling it high. Tell me, what is this Shiba Inu coin? Gotta be careful with it. It might be a scam. It might be a rug pull. Please tell me about Shiba Inu coin. I want to know about it. Is anyone else having issues purchasing super stickers? Oh my gosh, just you, Dark Bro. Just you. XLM. Stellar Lumens. I do like Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens about, what, 12, 13 cents right now? XLM. 12 cents. All right. Stellar Lumens down a little bit. This is the weekly. Let's look at the daily. Stellar Lumens down at 12 cents right now. This was the day that Ripple won the SEC case. Okay. Stellar Lumens jumped from 9 cents, boom, to 19.5 cents. It was a phenomenal rally, and then it did pull back. Of course, we had some volatility there, and actually it's on its way back down, man, to these support levels that were resistance levels prior to XLM and XRP ripping on the day that Ripple, gosh, there's so many rips and XRs, and it's crazy. On the day that Ripple won that lawsuit and XRP ripped higher, we're right back down, man. So I do like these coins. I like the idea of blockchain international finance. Stellar Lumens is very similar to XRP in that sense that it can facilitate cross-border transactions using its cryptocurrency. It's very fast. It's very cheap. It's very innovative. I like that. Can they compete with Ripple? Obviously, they've been holding their own, but Ripple's got first mover advantage, man. But I do like XRP, and you look at this, you can see this trend line is actually holding up right here. So if it does continue to hold up, you're looking pretty good. It's just you saw a massive, massive spike up and divergence from that trend line, and it's coming right back down to test it again. So boom, coming back down to test it. Boom, coming back down to test it. Hopefully you get yourself another boom, and you will come back down to test it. So watch out for that. But Stellar Lumen actually looking pretty good on a daily graph right there. Man, AMC. Who ordered AMC $12 a share? Because it is coming in, and it is going to come in very soon there. I wouldn't imagine that AMC closes above $12 today. We're going to watch that. Shib is the slowest rug in crypto history. I hope not. Any options plays on AMC, Clara? I don't have any options plays on AMC right now. Nufo. Let's see what the options look like, because I think that they're still working out the options chain on AMC after all of this reverse split conversion came through. So let's see what the options chain looks like here. All right, so these are all the standard options that they have right now. Great. They've got a lot of non-standard options. I don't want to get involved with all the non-standards. So if you owned options prior to the reverse split, the conversion, all of that, you'd be looking at these non-standards. I don't want to confuse anybody. I don't want to confuse myself. I don't want to look at the non-standards here. So let's look at the options that we've got going on right now. Any options plays? Put options, man. Put options. If you're looking at AMC, I mean, which direction do you think it's going, dude? It's not even falling off a cliff. There's nothing holding this. This is just like straight down. There's no ledges that are being hit on the way down. There's no signs of like life to grasp onto on the way down. It's just major red line after major red line here. So looking at these put options, right? They're still pretty expensive. They're still pretty expensive. The thing is, though, I truly believe that, and by the end of the day today, it is a little bit of a stretch, right? If you're looking, this is next week, so these don't even end this week. Oh, yeah, dude, so it's not that bad, actually. 67 cents on those $12. I would imagine we go below $12, and these put options do get pretty expensive here, and you can actually make a lot of money. You can see the implied volatility is still drastically high, so it is inflating the prices of these options a little bit from what they would be on a normal stock. But, yeah, dude, if you think that AMC is going to be below $12.09 by the end of September 8th, you're going to be making some decent money playing put options. If you're looking to hold on to your AMC shares, if you're looking to generate some income by buying AMC shares, let's see what you got here. I don't know. Okay. I guess it just wasn't loading right. Dude, these are still excellent numbers for call options. Because the implied volatility is so high, because I'm sure people are going to continue trading AMC like crazy. Look at these numbers, man. You'd be sitting on a 10% stock gain if AMC closes above $15. And you're generating another 5% income by selling some covered calls for next week. So looking at the fact that you can make 5% on some covered calls here, I think that's excellent, man. I think that's excellent. 5% a week selling covered calls. 2 weeks out, man, you're still doing better than 5% actually at the $15 strike there. Guaranteeing yourself a 10% income, a 10% capital gain if the stock price does go up. I go all the way out to 20 bucks. You're making some excellent money there. 1.5% with a $20 strike. Almost, what, 80% gain in your capital gains there? And you're making 1.5% selling those covered calls. So AMC, you can actually generate some very good income still. Oh my God, dude. If AMC gets wrecked, look, I would almost take advantage of that opportunity. If AMC gets wrecked in share price and people are still like, squeeze, 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 we're going to squeeze in talking all that nonsense. Dude, you can generate some sick income selling those cover calls there. Tomorrow should be the answer to everything. Oh, tomorrow should just be the answer to everything. Yeah, tomorrow is the answer to everything, Chris. When's it going up? Tomorrow. How high is it going to go? Tomorrow. Where's it going to go? Tomorrow, man. All of it. Just don't lock down the country. Yeah, I hope not, Challenge Channel. Pudgy understands what's going on here. Pudgy said, I don't know. I just kind of think it's the government to possibly have it locked down again for election year. Oh, kind of convenient to possibly have it. I think it's extremely convenient, man. I think it's extremely convenient, and I think it's planned. I don't think it's necessarily convenient. Play nice, bros. Absolutely. Always play nice. Bros always bag on each other. They do. Lockdown Talk is only U.S. as well, so it's a bit... Oh, us is... Yeah, you know, it is, Night Cow. It is. Boy, who else is going into election years? I don't know. Take the higher road then. Do it. AMC has so many FTDs. What's the short interest right now? Thanks, Clay. I believe it's around 30%. Let's see what the reported short interest is on Fintel. Oh, man, dude. I go out there. Look at that. I go out there and I click on Google Chrome and I met with a little demon, man. My gosh. So glad I killed that thing. So glad I killed that thing. Now, hold on. These guys are saying... I want to see what these guys are saying. Now, hold on. If you read this, this says, thus far, the Asian giant hornets, whatever there, has not been confirmed in Ohio or anywhere else in North America. We do understand the fear surrounding this insect, but there is no need for it. What the heck do they think that I just killed on my door? This is exactly what I just killed on my door. This is 100% what is on my door right now. I can go grab it and show you. European hornet. Maybe I killed a European hornet. Nah, it wasn't that thing. Definitely not that goofy looking thing. It's a yellow jacket. No, it wasn't that. Hold on. Dude, that almost looks like Claybro, doesn't it? That almost looks like Claybro. Yeah, I killed a Claybro. Oh my gosh. Maybe it was this guy. Now I gotta look. Maybe it was this guy. Alright. Hold, please. Maybe it was not one of those murder hornets. Maybe it was a European hornet about the same size. Have you heard of this company called AMC? They 10x from the price earlier this week. Satire. Yes, I have heard about that, man. And I had people leaving comments on my videos saying that AMC literally 10x. It's crazy. Click at murder hornets in your house. No, not in my house. Trying to get into my house. But it could have been one of those yellow. It could have been one of those European hornets. They look exactly the same. So I'm gonna figure it out. One golfer here stuck 1,200 times at a golf course. Moji, let me ask you this. You golf a lot. This is a legitimate question. So I know somebody, and they tell me that their job is scaring geese off of golf courses. Is this like a profession? This dude takes his dogs to the golf course and scares geese away, and then just leaves. I'm being 100% sincere. I need to know if this is a job. And if it is, don't the geese just come back? Don't the geese just come back like 2 minutes later? I need to know this. Whatever, Clay. You probably just printed a picture with an X on it and taped it to your door. Nah, I'll bring the wasp up. I mean, he's definitely dead and gone. I'll bring the wasp up, and then we can determine whether or not it's this. It could be this European hornet, as opposed to this Asian one. And it was dark out, so I couldn't tell if he had the red, but I know he's got a yellow butt. I gotta figure out if he's got the yellow face. So that's the difference between the Europeans and the Asians. Dude, somebody comes in right now. Who's got a yellow face? What's the difference between the Europeans and the Asians? Dude, somebody's gonna think that this is like the most racist stock channel ever, sitting here talking about the Asians looking with a yellow face and stuff. Oh my God. We're talking about bugs, guys. We're talking about bugs. If you don't believe me, look, we really are talking about yellow-faced hornets and red-faced hornets, okay? Europeans and Asians. Just calm down, all right? Calm down. We're talking about wasps. I promise you. We're talking about wasps. You guys are absolutely wild, man. Oh gosh, it's a Charlotte Hornet. Harris, no, it's a dead hornet right now. I'll tell you that right now. It's a mini. It could have been a mini drone. It could have been a mini drone that I shorted out for sure. Down at table 2, something. Geese are pretty aggressive fighters. It could be a paid position, yes. And they come back and see many dead geese from golf balls. Oh wow, dang man. Well, I guess it is a paid position because dude says that's what he does. I just didn't know. Clay thinks the hornet is dead, brings it upstairs. The hornet survived. Nah, dude. Listen, call Nick F immediately if that happens, because me and this dude throwing down. There's almost no doubt in my mind this dude's stinger is so big, he'd be able to pierce through this ball and just like pop it with his stinger. It's ridiculous. But he is dead. He's been on there all night, and he was still on there. Unless he's been sleeping all day. He's dead for sure. JB, that hornet better be dead. I didn't smash him either. I wanted so bad to smash that thing, but I didn't do it. Anybody see? It's something about 1 trillion. Yes, Lonnie. 1.198 trillion Shiba Inu coin or something like that. It was just under $10 million worth of Shiba Inu coin. That is the only coin that wallet holds. It is absolute insanity, man. Some people are crazy. Think about that. I mean, how nervous would you be right now? I get it if the dude's a billionaire. And who knows if he's got any different wallets out there. But like, what would you be thinking right now if you were 100% in Shib with $10 million and every 1% move was $100,000. $100,000 on every 1% move in Shiba Inu coin. You guys realize 1% is 8 points per coin. Moving from 8 points per coin, guys, he's moving $10,000. These are $10,000 ticks for that guy's portfolio. 802 to 801, he loses $10,000. 802 to 803, he makes $10,000. Think about that. This dude is sitting on $8,000 pips for Shib. That is nuts, man. That is nuts. Do you think we should buy into AGH, or is it just a fad? AGH. Is that a stock or a crypto? AGH. I don't even know what AGH is, man. This is bag holder coin. How many bag holders are in bag holder coin? A lot of them. Jeez. I mean, they even plainly label it, man, and people are still buying it. I see yellow bars. Are they gold? Well, that's sad about the geese. It is, man. I shoo them away before hitting. There you go, emoji. I mean, to the best of your ability, right? I mean, I don't know. Are they like by the where you tee off, or you just hit them with golf balls, or what's the deal? Yesterday, I had to nudge a bumblebee off of my. Yeah, bees are different. I'll kill every wasp I ever come across, but I'm not killing bees. I just let the bees fly around the backyard. Poor guy's about to lose so much money. Jesse, I hope he doesn't, man. I hope he doesn't. I want to make some money alongside of him. I'm not going to be making $10 million if Shib doubles in price, but I want to make some money alongside of him, man. It's a sign to play Wasp. It might be, new foe. It might be. Almost at 8%. Roulette wheel. Just spray them with raid. Hornets aren't that tough. No, I know. That's exactly what I did to him. That's exactly what I did to him. I didn't just spray him, dude. I doused him. I soaked him. Like, I basically washed my patio door with wasp spray yesterday. 20 million in 3.5 thousand. I have 3.5 thousand videos? Is that what he's saying? A lot of videos if I got 3.5K videos. Posted 3.5 thousand pieces of content. My gosh, that's a lot, Nick F. Also, Asian hornets can attack honeybee colonies and destroy them in a couple of minutes, including the queen. The Asian hornet is one animal you kill if you see. Well, I did kill whatever it was. It was either the Asian or the European that met its demise last night. We'll find out in the afternoon live stream, so make sure to come back for that. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chats. You're the last holdout for FF Clay. For what? Financial freedom Clay. 8-ball said you're... Oh, fantasy football. It's like financial freedom? Is that what we got? Yeah. I'm the last holdout for fantasy football. The 8-ball... Oh, you know what? Let's see what the 8-ball says. Will Clay Bro, me, join the fantasy football league today? You can't prove the 8-ball wrong now. Can you see it? It is decidedly so, ladies and gentlemen. It is decidedly so. Guess I'm playing some fantasy football. You guys are about to rock me on that one, man. Oh my gosh. Shib's been very sad. I'm way down. Yeah, Mike, man, I am down a little bit on Shiba Inu coin as well. I am hoping for the best. I'm hoping for a turnaround. It's following Bitcoin, so we need to see Bitcoin turn around as well. But yeah, dude, I'm hoping for the same as you. Have a good weekend, Clay and Clay Bros. Enjoy it, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Get you guys' names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and I will try, if I can remember, to bring that Hornet up to the afternoon live stream if you guys want to see him. It's most likely that European Hornet, if the Asian ones aren't in Ohio, but he was a beast, man. So I'll bring him up here. We'll be able to decide with the pictures we got online right there, and I'll let you guys do it. Does Pro eat wasp? I don't think he does, but I'm not sure if he does. He probably just steps on them and kills them. Moji, enjoy your afternoon, man. See you in the afternoon stream. JB, see you later. We got Michael Bauer. Oh, and I'm playing this one again, man, because this one from Pat this morning is awesome. Moji, really appreciate that super chat. We got the one from Pat coming up on the screen, and I'm gonna get a little authorized hydration from Pat as we sign off here. JB, man, enjoy your afternoon. Michael Bauer, man. Just Jeff, see you later. New for the pool to ow. Harris, enjoy your day. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, man, enjoy your weekend as well. Skelly, see you later. We've got Roulette Wheel, Dark Bro Kombu, Dark Bro Moji. We've got Old Rounder Kombu, Wangro, see you later, Wangro. Harris, see you later. Harris Moji, J Bones, later to you. Gorilla Invictus, all of you guys. You know what time it is. Pudgy, you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.